Hi everybody, Robert Jones back in the tasting room with you today, and this is part 2 of Sprouts Chips tasting, 11 flavors. This is the second part. This is the 4 through 8. Alright you guys, before we get started, I just want to let you know I'm having some giveaways. So if you just comment down below, like and subscribe, I will send you either a tea towel or a t-shirt or both or something like that. We'll do a little drawing for each video. This is video number 2 in the Sprouts Potato Chip series. Yes. So you're wondering, what do we have here? So let me just introduce the flavors. So we have number 5, which is the olive oil potato chip. We have number 6, which is the Jalapeno. No, I'm just joking. It's jalapeno. This is a kettle-style chip. This is number 7 is sriracha. I don't know about you, but I love some sriracha. So that's kind of exciting. And finally, number 8 we're going to try is red chili. So apparently we're getting our spice on today. So let's do it. All right, what we got here is number 5 in the series. This is the olive oil. Okay, now I realize this is probably blasphemy here from somebody who cooks a lot. I am not a big fan of olive oil. I love olives. I love green olives. I love black olives. I love Kalamata olives. I love all kinds of olives. But olive oil, to me, there's just a rancid taste to it. Not all. Don't get me wrong. Don't hate me. Most of the time, I'm just not a huge olive oil fan. I understand its purpose. I understand its heart smart, all that. But it's just, the flavor is just a weird thing for me. That being said, let's snippy and get this open and find out if this is good or not. All right, so what we have here is the olive oil chips, and I was just looking at the ingredients. Potatoes, olive oil, and sea salt. That's pretty good. And also, it says it's gluten-free. Gee, what a surprise. 100% money-back guarantee, made in USA from Phoenix, Arizona, in case you missed the other one. And this one is kosher, and it also says down here that it is non-GMO certified. So, there you go. Okay, take a look. What you think? It looks like a potato chip. Wow, these are really lightly colored. Yep. Olive oil is just, I don't know. I think olive oil is kind of a heavy oil. You can definitely taste the olive oil. They're okay. It's just kind of, I wouldn't buy these again. I think they have kind of a funky flavor that it says unique, fresh. It's not my thing. They're okay. I wouldn't spit them out. I'd eat them at a party, but I wouldn't buy them specifically because they were olive oil. So enough about that one. Let's get on to the spicy road. On the spicy road. Okay, this is the jalapeno. If anybody out there knows me, they know that I love spicy food, so I'm kind of excited by this. I tend to put jalapenos and peppers and all kinds of things on my burgers and fries and whatever else. I just love putting spicy stuff. So this is the jalapeno. Sniffy, sniffy. Now, let's find out what's making this jalapeno flavored. Potato, sunflower, and or safflower oil, jalapeno dehydrated green bell pepper. I'm a little confused by that. Crickets. Jalapeno dehydrated green bell pepper. Oh, there's a comma. I couldn't see the comma. It's a little like smattery back here. So it says jalapeno, comma, dehydrated green bell pepper. Now, I'm not a big fan of the green bell pepper. I love peppers, but not green bell pepper. It's a little funky. Rice flour, sea salt, cane juice, sugar. Cane juice? Why did they just say sugar? Garlic, onion powder, rice starch, citric acid, yeast extract. Are we still recording? Yes, we're still recording. Okay. Oh, it smells jalapeno-y. Now, can you see these? Just at my initial glance, they look green. Do they look green to you? They look? Yes, they do. They look green. I can taste the jalapeno, like the smell of the pepper. Oh, there's the heat. It's got a all over the mouth feel. That's pretty good. Two stuck together. It definitely smells like fresh jalapeno, which is kind of good, but maybe that's the bell pepper too. These are good. I would get these again. It's definitely jalapeno. Now, on a heat, I wouldn't say these are very hot. Maybe if you keep eating them, they'll build up. But I would say this is probably out of 10, maybe a 4. If you're very sensitive, you're probably going to feel these. But overall, I don't feel like it's burning. I don't feel like it's going to have burning twice. You know what I'm talking about. But yeah, these are pretty good. I'll try one more. Try one more. Yeah. I would totally get these again. I'd give these like a good solid 8. It's pretty good. Now, here's what I don't like. This big old bag. Tiny little amount in there. I know, sold by weight. Alright. Jalapeno? Yes. We got spicy, tangy, and hot spicy. I think I'm going to do spicy, tangy first. We'll go up the heat meter because I have a feeling that hot and spicy is going to be the hottest and I don't want to blow out my mouth before we get there. So, let's see. This is number 8. This one is called the Crispy Crunchy Spicy Tangy. So, I thought I saw sriracha. Where did I see sriracha? Oh, it's on the... Okay. This one's sriracha. This one's red chili. So, this one's spicy tangy. In the spicy tangy, we have potatoes, sunflower and or safflower oil, tapioca, maltodextrin, cane juice, sugar, salt, vinegar powder, yeast extract, garlic, spices, natural flavor, citric acid, extractives of paprika. Extractives? That's weird. And lactic acid. Nothing like a little lactic acid. Snippy, snip. Snippy, snippy. For all you snippy, snippy fans, this is like a dream come true. How are you guys? I know it's been a while. I have been crazy busy just doing all kinds of stuff. I have my Amazon store, if you guys would like to check that out. Selling lots of books. I'm also making videos for another company and doing inventory for them on Amazon. I'm making YouTube videos. I'm driving personal shopper stuff. I'm doing all kinds of stuff. So, trying to get back into videos. It takes a lot of time and energy, guys. But you're worth it. And I love doing this. All right. Maybe I should start a Kickstarter. Okay, here's your question of the day. If I started a Kickstarter, would you guys support it? That way I could transition to doing this full-time. Imagine a video from me every day doing this full-time and cooking. Like that idea? Let me know. All right. Spicy tangy red chili. It's a little red color. I didn't show you. Oh. That is funky. That is fun. I was expecting like a sweet chili may ploy kind of taste. This is funky. I don't know what to think of this. Now, I will tell you, it's less spicy than the jalapenos. So that's a good thing if you're sensitive. I don't know if I would say it's tangy. It has a little, as I spit all over myself, it has a little bit of a tang to it, but it's almost like a sourness. I think that's the vinegar powder. It's like vinegar chili. Does that make sense? I don't taste sweet. I thought I was going to taste more sweet, but I don't see sugar, and I don't really taste sweet. Yeah. These are interesting. Trying to think what else I can tell. They almost have a buttery quality to them. I'm trying to see if I can get a really red one. It's not really that red, but it's almost like an Asian barbecue, if that makes sense. They're okay. I give these about a 7. They're pretty good. I don't know if I know if I buy this one again, but it's definitely interesting. It would be interesting to eat these with the barbecue back and forth. The burn, it's there. It's a very front of the mouth burn. The jalapenos were kind of all over. This is very front of the mouth. So that one's interesting. Red chili. One more to go in this video here. This is the sriracha. Sriracha. Now, I wonder if this is licensed. It says nothing about Wong Fei Foods. Whoever the cock chicken. The cock chicken sauce. Wei Fong Foods. That's it. All right. This one has potatoes, blah, 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 oil, blah, 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 salt, tapioca, maltodextrin, sugar again, garlic, chili powder, sugar, vinegar powder, hot sauce, which contains a red pepper. Ooh, top of my head is a little tingly. Where were we? Hot sauce, which is red pepper, vinegar, salt, garlic.
Citric acid, yeast extract, and natural paprika extract. These are also gluten-free.
And are they GMO? Oh, these ones don't say non-GMO, do they? Oh, so these, interesting. These ones don't say that they're non-GMO, but they do say they're kosher, and they do say they're gluten-free. All right, last snippy of this video. Snippy, snippy. Oh, they definitely smell different. Can you guys see? To the front. Ooh. All right. So let's see if I can get a good one with a lot of stuff on it. This one looks like it's got stuff. Okay, I can definitely see chili flakes, tiny chili flakes. Ooh. Oh, that is salty. Wow. That is super, super salty. Let's see if I can get another big one. These are kind of munched for some reason. Wow. That is so salty. Okay, maybe that one just had a lot of stuff, because that one wasn't too salty. There we go. There's a chip for you. Can you see? Let me hold it up close. Focus. You see the little spices? This one almost has a bitterness to it. I can definitely taste the vinegarness. You can taste the chili, but the chili is actually less than the other two. That's kind of interesting. Got a little peel in there. It's got a little, it's got a funk. One more. Yeah. I can't say that, napkin. I can't say that that's a favorite. I would not get that one again. It has almost a fermented garbagey smell, if that makes sense. I don't like that. All right, let's recap the 4 flavors we had here. We have the olive oil. We'll go from the worst to the best this time. How's that? Olive oil, don't need that. Sriracha, a little too garbagey for me. A little too funky fermented. Not my thing. Now, the red chili was actually okay. And of these 4, I think I would choose the jalapeno the best. It just tasted fresh, which was nice. The chili was good, but the freshness of the jalapeno really actually came out pretty well. There you go. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, press the bell, get notified, all the stuff you're supposed to do when you're on YouTube. And make sure you like and comment. We're going to do some giveaway. Let me know. I'll draw a name and send you some good stuff in the mail. How you do this, right? All right, you guys. I'm Robert Jones. This is EudaemoniusMarkII, pronounced EudaemoniusMarkII, as in 2nd edition. I hope you guys are doing well. It's nice to be back, and I got one more chip tasting for you guys coming up in this series, and then I have another chip after that. I have lots of chips. I don't know why. All right, you guys. Take care.